Okay, that's what I have. I subtracted all my exponents. If you wrote this as 3 over b, and if you just copied that 1 over 5b to the third, 1 over 5b to the third there, that'd be fine as well. I just wrote with a negative exponent in the previous example, so I went ahead and copied that convention here. They mean the same thing. Okay, so that's dividing by a monomial. You just divide the numbers, subtract the exponents, nothing too fancy there. And we could also have this where we divide by a binomial. Okay, and doing this is no straight up simple task. What we need to do is long division. Okay, so this first polynomial goes inside. 3d squared minus 4d plus 13. And then d plus 3 out front. Okay, so basically what you need to do is look at the leading term in each one. So you have d and 3d squared. And you have to think to yourself, what times d will give me 3d squared? Well, d times 3d will give me 3d squared. When I put that up top, I'm going to match it up with the plane d. Okay, so I say d times what will give me 3d squared, that's 3d. And I lined it up with the basically the power of d that looks just like it. So all of my d squareds will go in this column, all of my d's will go in this column, and all my regular numbers will go in this column. And I'll follow that convention throughout. Okay, now we multiply to find the stuff here. So 3d times d is 3d squared. 3d times 3 is 9d. So I'm using the distributive property here. I'm taking 3d times each of these terms. Okay, now remember the next step here is to subtract. So 3 minus 3 is 0. That cancels out. That goes away. That's good. And negative 4 minus 9, the subtraction is tricky. Negative 4 minus positive 9 gives me negative 13d. Okay. Bring down the next term. Beautiful. All right, let's look at the next thing. D times what gives me negative 13d? You look at both the leading terms again. So d times what will give me negative 13d? Well, d times negative 13 will give you negative 13d. Okay, so negative 13 times d is negative 13d. That's good. Those should match. Negative 13 times 3 is negative 39. And again, I'm going to subtract. Negative 13 minus negative 13 is 0. 13 minus a negative 39, minus negative is like addition, so it's going to be 52. Okay, when I write my final answer, it's going to be 52 over the d plus 3. So plus 52 over the d plus 3. Okay, so that is my final answer there. I'm going to give you one to try. Go ahead and try this out.